Earth game, I drop that song there again. It a do things. It turn up loud. Hey, and voice no say. I'm rotten dude. Worst game, a worst nightmare.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica is here with another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, we're here with Elephant Man. Yeah, man, Elephant Man with Pretty Baby official music video. Big up yourself, Ellie. Big up yourself, Energy God. So that one has been requested to me since last week Thursday, but I was so busy. So I'm here with it. I'm here with it today. So I could jump in on and see where Elephant are going now. Pretty Baby. I've seen it on social media. Go on with the safe as well. So let's go, Elephant Man, Pretty Baby, let's go.
Shit for the girl them song, you know. Come on, GC on the beat. For the real bad girl them, you know. Real bad girl.
Real bad girl.
Real bad, yeah. Real bad girl. We know if it ride it like a.
Thirst is nothing, image is everything. Ready?
Me pretty baby. Yeah, me pretty baby.
What?
Your kitty grip me, baby.
Weird.
This I know, maybe. Whenever you're lonely, girl, you can phone me. Your pussy grip me, baby.
Only elephant can turn a classic song in our next song. Yo, Elephant not easy. Big up yourself, Ellie.
Shit for the girl them song, you know.
Ladies,
For the real
big up,
bad
Ellie.
girl them, you know. Real bad girl.
You find it, bro.
Real bad, yeah.
Real.
Bad girl. We know if it ride it like a bike.
Boom, boom.
Wine for me now. Me pretty baby. Yeah, me pretty baby.
Walk.
Your kitty grip me, baby. This I know, maybe. Whenever you're lonely, girl, you can phone me. Your pussy grip me, baby. Have me running back to you.
Ladies, him tell me if you tell him say yo, kitty wanna have one meow. Grip him. Anyway, him have to come back to you, cause you have to come back. You gotta hold me tighter. Him say you have that. Yeah, him just send me a message me telling a while ago. Him say yeah.
Baby,
yeah.
Have me running back to you. We can fuck for hours next to the flowers. Sit down for me, old girl. You're doing good, girl.
Man say we can fuck for hours next to the flowers. Yo. Yo. R.I.P. to the original artist who done this. But apparently she just passed away at the Elephant Makers.
Flowers, sit down for me, old girl. You're doing good, girl. Your kitty grip me, baby. Have me running back to you. Yeah, side of the jet a ride for the pleasure.
Yeah.
She want it rough, something like alligator.
Yeah.
So you know me just apply for me pressure when the drought fly. Trust me, no sky no wetter.
Yeah.
Search it like me type in a meta in a army a box. Me a write for me letter. Shit for the girl them song, you know.
Lift up.
For the real
Bumbo
bad girl,
clad,
you know.
Energy God.
Real bad girl. Real
Because the man's in that video, they look good.
Real bad girl. We know if it ride it like a bike. Wine for me now. Me pretty baby.
Walk.
Yeah, me pretty baby.
Walk.
Your kitty grip me, baby. This I know, maybe. Whenever you're lonely, girl, you can phone me. Your pussy grip me, baby. Have me running back to you.
Image is everything, hear that? Thirst is nothing.
We can fuck for hours next to the flowers. Sit down for me, old girl. You're doing good, girl. Your kitty grip me, baby. Have me running back to you. Yeah, side of the jet a ride for the pleasure. Say she want it rough, something like alligator. Wait, so you know me just apply for me pressure when the drought fly. Trust me, no sky no wetter. Insert it like me type in a meta in a army box. Me a write for me letter. Easy does it, but
Yo, one thing, you know, Ellie, I got chop lyrics, you know, him I got chop lyrics, you know, anything in do him I got chop lyrics.
she like the aggressor every day. She a tell me say my cocky better. Second turn to minutes, minutes turn to hours. Girl, me love your pussy. God with no sour. When me
Minutes turn to hours. Girl, me love you. In no sour. We hit the man. I hit the man.
Girl, me love your pussy. Cause it no sour. When me drop me trousers, just follow me go inna the room.
Next to the flowers.
This a me the hot girl them for the summer. All of the good body girl them come here. Give me them all any shape, any color. Drill a load of girl, yeah, we have them down here. Just spin a banger for the hot girl summer. Watch how the girl them a wine for the one here. Every time she want take a climb for me ladder. Jackie book flight for your flap for me hammer.
Bumbo
I
clap.
better you stop chat and take a back shot.
Add me by your Snapchat and take a back shot. Hey, girl. Hey, girl.
Looking at the moonlight, you look it feel right. Your kitty grip me, baby. Have me running back to you. Girl, me nah, let me have to tell you. Your pum pum good like ever, girl. Me nah, let me have to tell you. Your pum pum good like ever, girl.
I want to see a boom boom good like heaven.
Ever, girl, me nah, let me have to tell you. Your pum pum good like ever, girl. The fuck you might kill your girl, trust me. Rougher than rugby, make your face ugly.
Fuck your girl. I fuck you might kill you. You're rougher than rugby. Trust me, make your face ugly.
Good like ever, girl. The fuck you might kill your girl, trust me. Rougher than rugby, make your face ugly. Skinny toe, no tell me no fuck it. Oh, Michelle, it out you, I call me not say. Girl.
Yo! Skinny Toad not tell me no fuckery. To me Shelly Toad come like a nutsy. Peanut. Nuts man. Make it whistle like a peanut, can't tell it.
Ugly. Skinny toe. No tell me no fuckery. To me Shelly Toad you a call me not say. Girl me think can't stop stand up. That will make me slap that fat up. Back up me now doctor yo. Mash that up on the light post shock that up. Yeah. Your kitty grip me baby. This I know maybe. Whenever you're lonely. Girl, you can phone me, your pussy grip me, baby. Have me running back to you.
Clot. One energy god. Jim blood clot, you know. Yo, big up elephant, man. Bomba clot. Yo, big up the production team. What I want to do. Yo, elephant not easy, you know, yo. Elephant turn the woman classic song, you know. She dead in our next song, you know, bro. Elephant turn one classic in our next classic, you know. The ramp with Ellie, you know. Big up ladies them who have the happy comeback, who have the grip me, no, who have the glimity, the glamity. Big up the ladies them who know say yo them want a man shell it out like a nutsy. Yeah. Big up them ladies that me a talk about. Elephant, yeah, fuck with elephant. Don't fuck with elephant. Oh, don't fuck with the legend. That me a telling you, yeah. One energy god. But yeah, me like it. Yeah, something different. What you mean? Elephant, get them something for summer. People, listen to me, I said, don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section, because I fuck with it. I like it. Also, there's a link that's pinned in the top of the comment section. That's my second reaction channel. Go and drop a sub over there for me. And watch a couple of content. I'm dropping some good content over there to do with crime and stuff like that. So yeah, drop some comments over there. Let me know see over there with them. You see me? But yeah, let me know what you guys think, like I said, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica verse game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. I know what that. About do Mr. Kapalat, you know.